Really? Really? Really?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Laura's house, and I just noticed Ashley pouring cold water on Mr. Glenn White.
I'm up now.
No, you are not.
You fucking assholes, thanks.
Look how
Good
wet.
sleep. Hey, Jen, how you doing?
Oh, you didn't notice I was here? OMG.
Turn the light off.
Excuse me, I am doing a show here. Okay, I'm doing a Capngem show. I'm presenting to everybody how drunk you are. Finally, I see you drunk, and I'm sober. I'm sober. I am sober. No, we're turning those lights on. And if you get back in the tub, I swear to God, Glenn Carson. Yes, Glenn Carson White, I will pour cold water on you myself.
I told Laura I'm going to sleep in the couch.
I knew
you going back in there. I have cold water.
Yes. Wait, let me get.
Look, it's me.
Yes, that's a bruise from the skating thing. Come on, let's go. Up.
Oh my God, you motherfuckers. 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes.
I don't trust you.
You're drowning.
Are you taping this?
Yes, I am.
Oh, good.
So you can laugh at it later. Ooh, no, I'm glad I came.
All right, I'm going to get sick when I go
I'm
outside,
gonna have to see this. All right, get up. Get up, doggy. Come on.
5 minutes.
Hey!
Oh, you motherfuckers, man.
That's Laura.
All right, I'm up. All right, I'm up. Oh, you motherfuckers,
I am here. You should be happy that I'm here.
Oh, you motherfuckers, man.
Oh, me too? Really? Wow.
All right, get up. What up, Zack? I know Zack is there.
Jeez. Look how soaking wet he is. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call drunk and crazy. Whoa. Wow. She had a good nut. Damn. Shh. You know he's awake. Damn. Damn, I can't believe that's coming out of her. Damn, everybody's asleep. Boop, 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 boop. Wake up. Damn, it's... Take your thing out. It's... Whoa. What the fuck? Yo, hey everybody, it's New Year's Eve. Actually, no. Sorry, New Year's Day, 2012. January 1st, 2012. And, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, stop it. Okay, we already had Nookie, okay? You did me in the bathroom, so shut up. So anyways, it's January 1st, 2012, and we're in Laura's house. I didn't really have a big night, but it was okay. It was like, it teaches me to make my own decisions right away. Jeez Louise. Damn, yes. Huh? Yes. Damn. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Zack did her good. She had good cookie. Alright guys, I'll see you all some other time. Wait. Wait, what did you do? Peace sign.
2012.
Yeah. I'll see you all guys later, okay? It's time for us to sleep. What?
You turned 29 this year.
Okay, shut up. I just turned 28. So what the fuck? I just turned 28. So what the fuck is mentioning to me that I'm turning 29? Shut the fuck up.
I turned 30.
Okay, whatever. That's later. Whoa. Okay, it's time to go. Say peace.
Racist. Big doggy.
No, the racist dog is upstairs. Napoleon.
No,
Napoleon?
Coco.
You know,
The one that like barks
Napoleon
at
is
Glenn.
racist.
Really? They're all racist dogs.
Because no, you know why? He has a reason. Because they had a maid who was black, and she was like,
Oh.
so whenever he sees like a dark shadow, he associates it with the woman. That's why.
Oh, shit.
Since you know that dogs only see in black and white.
Yeah.
Shut up. How did we get back here?
I don't know. Sam was like, how did you get on? It's so, I like her. She's so cute.
Coco.
Like, they're cute too. The way they're just hiding inside. So your dog sitting?
Hey, doggy.
Fiona, come here.
Fiona.
Come here, Fiona.
Fiona Apple. Shut up, Coco. Shut up. Shut up.
Probably barking
Racist.
at you.
Nigga.
He's like a little lion.
Aww. Hi. You look scared.
Hey, Fiona.
Hi. Oh, she's a she.
That's Fiona.
Hi. She looks scared. Like,
Hey, Fiona.
it's okay. You don't know us. I really like this little one right here. I like her.